Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Salesforce Marketing Cloud to maintain brand templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, log into your account. Navigate to the Email Studio dashboard. Select the Content tab from the main menu. In the Content area, locate the brand template you wish to withdraw. Click on the template to open its details. Review the template settings and configurations to ensure nothing is altered. Next, find the option that allows you to export or withdraw the template. Click on the Export button to initiate the withdrawal process. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Review the details and confirm the action. Once confirmed, the template will be processed for withdrawal. Monitor the progress in the Notifications area of your dashboard. After the process completes, navigate to the Assets tab to confirm the withdrawal. Check under Brand Templates to ensure your selected template is no longer listed. If you need to maintain brand consistency, consider exporting the template as a backup. To do this, go back to the Content tab and select Export for the entire brand folder. Save the exported file securely for future reference. Finally, review your brand guidelines to ensure all assets align with the updated templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.